Looking to make some extra cash in your free time? Want the flexibility of working from anywhere, at any time? Look no further than online freelancing. With the rise of the digital age, there are endless opportunities for individuals who want to showcase their skills and expertise while earning money on their own terms. Whether you're a talented writer, graphic designer, programmer, or even a social media guru, online freelancing offers a world of possibilities. In this video, we'll explore what online freelancing is all about and how you can tap into these lucrative opportunities. So sit back, grab your favorite beverage, and let's dive into the exciting world of online freelance gigs. What is online freelancing? Online freelancing is a platform that connects individuals with various skills and expertise to clients in need of their services. It allows professionals to work independently, without the constraints of a traditional office job. Whether you're a writer, designer, developer, or marketer, online freelancing offers a vast array of opportunities. One of the key advantages of online freelancing is the flexibility it provides. You have control over your schedule and can choose projects that align with your interests and availability. This means you can work from anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet connection. Another benefit is the ability to set your own rates. Unlike traditional employment where salaries are predetermined, freelancers have the freedom to negotiate their fees based on their experience and market demand. This gives you more control over your income potential. Moreover, online platforms provide access to a global client base. With millions of businesses seeking freelance talent worldwide, there's no shortage of opportunities for skilled professionals to find work across diverse industries and niches. In addition, online freelancing allows for continuous learning and growth through exposure to different projects and clients. As you take on new assignments, you'll gain valuable experience while expanding your network within your chosen field. Online freelancing opens up endless possibilities for those looking for extra cash or even considering transitioning into full-time remote work. So why wait? Start exploring this exciting realm today. The different types of online freelancing gigs. When it comes to online freelancing gigs, the possibilities are endless. There is a wide range of options available depending on your skills and interests. Here are some of the different types of online freelancing gigs that you can explore. 1. Writing and editing. If you have a way with words, freelance writing and editing can be a great option for you. You can write articles, blog posts, website content, or even work as an editor proofreading and improving existing content. 2. Graphic design. If you have an eye for design and creativity, graphic design freelancing could be right up your alley. You can create logos, websites designs, social media graphics, or even digital illustrations. 3. Virtual assistants. Many businesses require virtual assistants to handle administrative tasks remotely, such as managing emails, scheduling appointments, data entry, etc. 4. Web development. With the increasing demand for websites and web applications, web development has become a sought-after skill in the freelance market. 5. Social media management. In today's digital age, businesses rely heavily on social media platforms to reach their audience. Managing social media accounts involves creating engaging content and interacting with followers. These are just a few examples of the diverse range of online freelancing gigs available out there. Whether your expertise lies in writing or designing or any other field altogether, there is sure to be an opportunity that suits your skills and allows you to earn extra cash from the comfort of your own home. So go ahead, explore these opportunities and find what works best for you. How to get started with online freelancing. Getting started with online freelancing can seem overwhelming at first, but with the right approach and mindset, it can open up a world of opportunities for extra cash. Here are some steps to help you get started on your freelance journey. Identify your skills and passions. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? This will help determine what type of freelance gig would be the best fit for you. Whether it's writing, graphic design, programming, or virtual assistance, there is something out there for everyone. Next, create an appealing online presence. Set up a professional website or portfolio that showcases your work and highlights your strengths. Make sure to optimize it for search engines so potential clients can easily find you. Networking is crucial in the freelancing world. Join relevant communities and forums where professionals in your field gather. Engage in conversations, offer advice or share insights. This will not only establish yourself as an expert but also potentially lead to job opportunities. When starting out as a freelancer, consider offering services at a competitive rate to attract clients and build up your reputation. As you gain experience and positive reviews from satisfied clients, gradually increase your rates accordingly. Don't underestimate the power of self-promotion. Utilize social media platforms like LinkedIn or Twitter to showcase your work regularly and connect with potential clients directly. With these steps in mind, getting started with online freelancing doesn't have to be daunting anymore. Take action today and unlock the doors to new possibilities in earning extra cash on your own terms. 5 popular online freelance gig sites. When it comes to finding online freelance opportunities for some extra cash, there are a plethora of gig sites available that connect freelancers with clients from all over the world. These platforms make it easy for individuals with various skills and talents to showcase their work and secure projects. Here are 5 popular online freelance gig sites worth exploring. 1. Upwork. This platform is known as one of the largest freelance marketplaces, offering a wide range of job categories. From writing and graphic design to programming and virtual assistants, there's something for everyone on Upwork. 2. Fiverr. Fiverr has gained immense popularity due to its unique concept of offering services starting at just $5. Freelancers can create gigs based on their expertise, allowing buyers to browse through different options before making a purchase. 3. Freelancer.com. Similar to Upwork, Freelancer.com covers an extensive range of job categories across industries such as IT, marketing, writing, design, and more. 4. TopTal. If you're a highly skilled professional in fields like software development or finance, TopTal could be your go-to platform. The site carefully vets freelancers before accepting them onto the platform, ensuring top-notch quality work. 5. Guru. Guru offers a robust project management system along with features like workroom collaboration tools, which makes it convenient for both freelancers and clients alike. Each of these platforms provides an opportunity for freelancers to showcase their skills, tap into new markets, and earn extra income. With countless job postings daily, freelancing opportunities are abundant. However, it's essential not only to have a strong profile but also put effort into creating outstanding proposals that will stand out among competitors. Successful freelancing requires consistent effort, networking, satisfied clientele, and continuous learning. But with dedication and perseverance, you can turn online freelancing into a rewarding source of extra cash. How to be successful at online freelancing. To be successful at online freelancing and make extra cash, it's important to approach this gig with the right mindset and strategies. Here are some tips to help you thrive in the world of online freelancing. 1. Define your skills and niche. Determine what skills you possess that can be monetized online. Whether it's writing, graphic design, programming, or social media management, focus on your strengths and choose a niche where you can excel. 2. Create an impressive profile. Set up a compelling profile on freelance platforms that showcases your skills and experience. Use keywords relevant to your niche so potential clients can easily find you. 3. Build a strong portfolio. Develop a portfolio that highlights your best work samples related to your chosen field. This will give potential clients confidence in hiring you. 4. Network and promote yourself. Actively engage with others in your industry through forums, social media groups, or professional networking sites like LinkedIn. Share useful insights, offer advice, and establish yourself as an expert in your field. 5. Polish your communication skills. Clear communication is crucial when working remotely with clients from diverse backgrounds. Respond promptly to inquiries or messages from potential clients and maintain professionalism throughout all interactions. 6. Deliver quality work on time. Consistently delivering high-quality work within agreed-upon deadlines helps build trust with clients and encourages repeat business or referrals. 7. Always seek feedback and improve. Ask for feedback from clients after completing projects to understand their satisfaction level and areas for improvement. Utilize constructive criticism as an opportunity for growth. 8. Cultivate time management skills. Set realistic goals each day, per week, per month while considering project timelines. Prioritize tasks effectively. Avoid procrastination. Stay organized using tools like calendars or task management apps. Remember that success doesn't happen overnight. Building a reputation as a freelancer takes time and effort but offers great opportunities for extra cash if done right. Stay committed to honing your craft, staying updated with industry trends, and providing exceptional service to clients.